So why are condo sales struggling? Well, high mortgage rates, high HOA fees, high insurance costs, and economic uncertainty. It's Dennis from the Edge Group team, and welcome to Getting Your Edge, how to downsize your home and life. And we are here with the final podcast of 2025. This is episode number 70 over the course of 3 years. And we want to take a look at a couple of things. One, we're going to look at the October to November 2025. We're going to look at a year over year. And we're also going to look at a 10-year average and compare this to what's been happening in the real estate market. So without further ado, let's get going. Here's a recap of the residential real estate market, Snohomish County, King County, year over year, November 24 to November 25. King County, prices are down 1.9%. Snohomish County, minus 4.2%. Condos, a little bit of the same, just a bit more extreme with a negative pricing of 13% in King County and minus 8.2% in Snohomish County. Days on the market, trending up. King County, plus 35.7%. Snohomish County, plus 60%. This is a clear indication of a softening real estate market for sellers. Days from the market for condos. Same trend going up in King County, 22.7%, but going down in Snohomish County, meaning you'll sell your condo faster than last November if you live in Snohomish County. Confirmation of these trends comes from the Seattle Rennie Advance Report. This is an organization coming from British Columbia, but they report on the Seattle area market. It's an info-packed report detailing all the latest trends. The real estate market is cyclical, so we're used to sales dropping off between October and November, but the closed sales across King County were down 30% over the usual month-to-month drop that we see in that time period. Double the typical October to November sales decline of 15%. Sales declined 15% relative to November 2024. Both single-family homes were down 16%, and the townhomes were down 8%. Now here it gets interesting because we have sales at 36% lower than the prior November average, which is the largest gap for a long-term average so far this year. Condos were the farthest below average at negative 41% drop, followed by single-family homes at 37, townhomes. So why are home sales declining? High prices, government shutdown, layoffs. Starbucks had 1,000 laid off, Amazon 2,200 in this area. And according to the Seattle Times, despite interest rate drops as the economic concerns snowball, people are putting off what could be their biggest investment of their life until things are more certain. The supply of condos in November outpaced buyer demand by more than any time since 2018. Active listings are up 16% in King County and 51%, wow, year over year in Snohomish County. So why are condo sales struggling? Well, high mortgage rates, high HOA fees, high insurance costs, and economic uncertainty. This is the last episode for 2025 for Getting Your Edge, How to Downsize Your Home and Life podcast. I'm your host, Dennis Day, wishing you happy and holidays. A wonderful new year. We'll see you in 2026. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.